The packaging is so weird. It looks like I don't know, it's like it reminds me the cookies that you buy in the grocery store. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, another unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box, BOXYCHARM, for this month. I cannot wait to share with you what we got for this month. And yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Again, this is what it looks like, the box. And yeah, kind of like a little bit heavy. I'm really excited. Every time I use this knife, it's so scary. It looks like really sharp knife. So let's just like quick these. There you go. Ooh. Alright, first in the box is this. We got these little super cute paperwork, and it has all the product and the price as well on the box. First, we got this Pharmacy Whip Green Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with Moringa and Papaya. Ooh, cleanser. I remember I have the same like this, but it's a toner. So yeah, I have a cleanser and also I have a toner, so it's like perfect to try it on to my skincare routine. Pharmacy. The brand of the product is Pharmacy. Super cute. Ooh, good thing. Nice, super cute packaging. And yeah, I'm almost out of my facial cleanser, so this is perfect to try it on when I out of my cleanser that I use now. So we got this Pharmacy Foaming Cleanser. Next is a setting powder. It's a setting powder. That's a weird packaging. It looks like a soap or something, but it is a setting powder. Super cute setting powder, and the packaging is weird. Never seen like this packaging. Like kind of like if you go to the grocery store, something like this. We have like paper bag and they put a little tape on it, and a front is like this. Third one, guys, is a mist, setting spray mist, and this is what look like. Super cute packaging as well. And fourth is this lip oil. Ooh, I have a lot of lip oil. Fourth is this lip oil. Super cute packaging too of lip oil. Actually, lip oil is really good to our lips. Give those moisturize our lips all the time. Especially if you have a dry lips like me. I always have a dry lips, so lip oil is perfect when you have a dry lips. Next is again skin. What is this? Oh, it's a eye patches. Very good, very cute packaging of eye patches. Super cute eye patches. Ooh, I'm excited to use this one. It's eye patches. Alright everyone, this month we got a foaming cleanser, mist, and lip oil, and setting powder, which is like really weird packaging. Never seen like that packaging. And also eye patches. Alright everyone, that's it for my BOXYCHARM unboxing for this month. I cannot wait to try all of this item or skincare or beauty product that we got for this month. I'm so excited to play with it. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.